Hello my gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell from the title, I just thought I'll film a quick video to show you guys. I picked up iPhone 13 Pro in 256 GB. So this is the new phone I picked up this morning. So I was just going to set it up, so I just thought I'll probably just film a quick unboxing. So this is what the outer box looks like, and this is the back. Then they have changed the seal, and this is the case I picked up. It's kind of like dark blue. It's in the shade Midnight. I was confused between the dark green, I think it's called dark olive or something, or the blue one, but then I ended up buying this dark blue color. And the phone I picked up, it's in black color. And so this is what the outer packaging looks like. So I'm just going to unbox this. So we're just gonna peel it here. Okay, that was very easy. Okay, anyways, and oh, okay, it's a black color, because that's the thing, online it's very hard to tell. I'm not too sure if you can tell on the camera, but it's not black, it's kind of like gunmetal color. It's like, I'm not mad or anything, but I thought it's a black color. But anyways, okay, so we're just gonna peel this off. Ooh. So this is what the phone looks like, and the sides, I don't know how much you can see because it's very reflective. You can see my fingerprints there, right there. Yeah, and this is what the back looks like. These lenses are huge, actually. I don't know how big they look in the camera, but in person they're really big. And this is the front. That's how the bottom looks like. It's the side, and then this side right here. Only I have iPhone XR, so they are basically same size-wise. This one is probably a little bit, yeah, they're identical. They're like pretty much same size. I feel like the XR is more heavy, but this one is with a glass screen and cover. So I'm just going to turn this on. Ooh, that's cool. Right, it says open up. I'm going to do, all right, I'm just gonna quickly set this up off camera. All right guys, so I just set up my phone. I did click a few pictures, so I'm just going to show you. Okay, so this is the picture I clicked, and I will show you guys, right? Okay, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'll just hold this phone in this hand, and I'll just hold the other one right next to it to show you. So this is the picture with iPhone 13 Pro, and this is with the XR. And the next one, as you can see, this one got like more color to it, more brighter. It just normal setting. I didn't brighten up or anything like that, just normal camera settings. Then we got this one here, and this one. And this one, and the next one. I love how it's picking up the colors. Like in person, it's look more beautiful. I believe on the camera, they look a little bit more washed out. Yeah, they look beautiful. I love it. Right, so that's the camera feature. And I'm just going to set up the wallpaper. So I think these are all the old ones, even these ones. So we're just gonna go with the live feature. I'm gonna go with the green. Set for both, and then so when you turn your phone on, basically lights up. That's cool. All right, so I'm just gonna quickly open up the case as well. And as you know, I think from last year or the year before, I don't even remember, the only thing you get is the cable, no headphones, no adapter. The phones are getting expensive, but we are getting less things. All right, so I'm just going to open up the cover as well. Okay, there is a seal. Alright, so this is what the case look like. I really like Apple cases because they got these like suede kind of material inside and they last you a very long time. The previous phone I had was iPhone 8 Plus and I bought the silicone cover with it, and for 4 years I had the same cover. It was wearing off a little bit like a couple of months ago, but my dad phone died 3 months ago. My friend actually lent me this phone, the one I'm currently using. So anyway, so I ended up picking the silicone one because I like the silicone one because you like it give you grip, whereas the leather ones, I don't know, I didn't like how it felt in my hand, and I think it will make your hand sweaty. Anyway, so we're just going to put the phone in the case. All right, so this is what the phone look like, and this is what the case look like. I am actually very, very excited for my new phone. As I mentioned before, I had iPhone 8 Plus. I haven't updated my phone for 4 years, so I am really, really excited. So yeah, I will keep you guys updated how I like it, how I'm going with it. But yeah, today it was just a quick unboxing to show you guys what color I picked up and what it looks like. So alright, so that's all for today's video, my gorgeous. I hope you like it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, my gorgeous.